In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage permissions and export or view version history for a document in Dropbox Paper. Let's dive right in by learning how to manage permissions for a paper document. First, you'll want to open the paper document that you wish to manage. Once you've done that, look towards the top of the page and click on the blue Invite or Share button. This will open up the sharing dialog. In this dialog, you'll see a section labeled, Who can open this doc? Here, you have a couple of options to choose from, such as Invite Only or Anyone with Link. These options allow you to determine who can access your document. Additionally, you'll see another section labeled, What can they do? This is where you specify the level of access, allowing others either to can edit, can comment, or can view the document. If there are specific individuals whose access you want to manage, you can easily do that by finding their name in the list. Once you spot their name, click on the drop-down menu that appears next to it and choose Change to either Can Edit or Can View, as per your needs. Alternatively, if you want to revoke their access completely, select Remove. For those on a team utilizing the new release of Paper, remember that the document will behave similarly to a standard Dropbox file. This means the permissions will be in sync with regular Dropbox sharing rules, making it even more convenient to manage everything consistently. Now, let's move on to viewing and restoring version history for a paper document. Start by opening the document whose history you'd like to explore. Once inside, navigate to the top right corner or near the document title, where you will find the or ellipsis menu. Click on it and pick Doc History from the drop-down choices. Under the Doc Changes tab, you'll see a detailed list of previous edits, which includes information about the time and the editor who made the changes. If you find yourself needing to revert to an earlier version of the document, you can do this by simply clicking on the version you wish to restore and then selecting Roll Back to this version. Doing so will replace the current document with the version you selected. It's important to note, however, that after you restore an older version, more recent versions will be erased from version history. Therefore, be certain that you've picked the right version before proceeding with restoration. For those of you working with a paper document that falls under the new release, which integrates with Dropbox files, you also have the option to view version history through the standard Dropbox file history or even use Dropbox Rewind features. And that wraps up our guide for today. Thanks for watching and happy managing.